Hey guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. 2.5 years ago, we showed you how to put up this fabric wallpaper with liquid starch, and it still looks really great, but we're looking to change up our space. So today I'm going to show you a really easy way to take it down. So let's get started.
Remove any hardware from the wall, including any outlet or light switch covers. Spray the fabric in sections and peel it away from the wall using your fingers or a putty knife. It should come off fairly easily, but if one section's giving you a little trouble, you can always spray it with a little more water. Take it slow. The fabric should come off easily, but you don't want to damage your wall by removing it too fast. Then you're going to want to clean your wall. Put about 2 to 4 tablespoons of vinegar in a bucket filled with water and gently clean the wall with the mixture and a sponge. You don't want the water to drip or it will leave marks, so make sure to wring out the sponge before gently scrubbing the wall. You can wash your fabric in a washing machine and reuse it if you want. And now your wall is back to where you started.